A dream on the edge. Will you save it? Imagine pouring your heart into something for 90 days, over 100 hours of relentless work, late nights burning the midnight oil at 3 a.m., dissecting complex financial reports just to give you the keys to freedom. That's me, RK, your guide at RK Finance Blueprint. I'm not here with another finance tip today. I'm here with a clear, raw, human cry from the edge of giving up. The hook that hurts. After 90 days of sweat and soul, only 45 people have subscribed. 45. It's a number that stabs me every time I see it. I'm a certified financial analyst, but more than that, I'm a small creator fighting to light your path to wealth. I've shared hacks the rich hide, crypto gems no one explains, and real estate tricks to change your life. But the YouTube algorithm, it's burying me alive. US viewers swipe past my shorts in 3 seconds. UK folks watch halfway and leave. EU audiences drop off before I can even finish. It's not just content, it's a lifeline, and it's fading fast. The pain is real. I sit in a dim room, charts scattered, staring at analytics that feel like a slap. People don't watch fully. They don't see how hard I've worked or how helpful this could be. Every video is a piece of me, hours of research, passion, and hope, yet it's slipping through the cracks. 45 subscribers, 120 watch hours. That's all I've got after 90 days of giving everything. It's heartbreaking, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'm sad, I'm tired, but I still believe in us. The shift to hope. This doesn't have to end here. Yours, you can change it. Together we can beat the algorithm and build something unstoppable. I'm not asking for much, just 10 seconds of your time. Watch my videos all the way through. Hit that like button. Drop RK Global in the comments. Smash subscribe. One click from you keeps this dream breathing. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours together, starting now. Why it matters. If even one tip I've shared sparked an idea, saved you $1, or gave you hope, don't let it die. I'm not some faceless channel, I'm RK, a guy who gets you, who's in your corner, fighting a system that wants you blind. I'm new, I'm hardworking, and I'm real. My channel's 90-day grind deserves a chance, but I can't do it alone. The urgent call, act now. Watch every second of my videos. Shorts, long ones, all of it. Like them. Comment RK Global to push past spam filters. Subscribe and tick that bell icon. Share it with your family, friends, everyone. Tell them RK's Finance Blueprint is the real deal. This guy's an expert, a hustler, and he's here for us. Support him. Let's prove the algorithm wrong and turn 45 into 10,000. The human close. I'm not giving up yet, not while you're still here. This is RK Finance Blueprint, your financial revolution. One watch, one like, one comment, one sub. That's all it takes to keep me going. Don't let 90 days of heart vanish. Join me, support me. Let's build this together. Number Finance Revolution.
This isn't just a YouTube channel. It's a place to learn, to grow, and to take real steps toward a better financial life. For anyone who's truly serious about change, about freedom, about building something strong for themselves and their family, RK Finance Blueprint is here for you. I'm Expert RK, and I've built this channel with just one purpose: to give you clear, real, honest knowledge. Here, you'll find guidance on real estate, crypto, and Bitcoin updates that actually matter, smart saving strategies, clear investment tips, and practical lessons from the real world of finance. No noise, no hype, no fake promises. Only what works, only what's real. So if this speaks to you, don't wait. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you never miss what could be the video that changes your thinking. Like the content if it helps you. Comment what you've learned or felt, and share it with someone you care about. Because knowledge grows when we pass it on, your support doesn't just help this channel, it builds a stronger community, a smarter generation, a better future. Let's move forward, not just as viewers, but as learners, as doers, as people who want more from life. Together we build financial clarity, we grow, and we rise only on RK Finance Blueprint.